Hello there, I hope you're all well. I've been out today in the GoPro's kayak on the River Yeo, just having a bit of a paddle. And I've tried a little hack out on the paddle, and I thought I'd just share it with you. I saw this on one of the kayaking groups, that somebody had put a bit of a pool noodle just down from the drip ring on the paddle, and it was supposed to stop water from splaying down onto the paddle. It's actually such a simple idea. All you do is slice a piece of pool noodle off, cut a little bit of a hole out of the middle, and then force it over the end of your paddle. Well, I'll tell you what, let's just have a look at the footage of this in action. I'm trying out a little trick on the paddle. This is a bit of a pool noodle, and it's supposed to help stop splashes down your paddle. So we'll see how that works out, eh? Right, so I'm about 2.5 miles in. Just look how dry this paddle is, the handle. This pool noodle hack works brilliantly. It's not just that side, let me show you. Look, same on the other side too. How cool is that? It's a lot better than these drip rings. I hope you've liked this little hack. I thought it was great. I didn't know how well it would work, but it worked really well. Anyway, I've got to dry everything up, so I'll see you all soon. If you've enjoyed this, please give the video a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. It's entirely up to you. And if you like what I'm doing, and you hit the subscribe button and that little bell notification, whenever you open up YouTube and I've uploaded another video, you'll just get a little notification. And all of that costs you nothing. How fabulous is that? Right, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. You take care. See you soon. Cheerio.